Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, our topic for discussion for today is exercise chapter number 2 FSC Physics with numericals. Numerical number 5 is, if point B, if a vector B is added to vector A, the result is 6i plus j unit vector. Numerical number 5, when vector B is added to vector A, then resultant is 6i plus j unit vector. Similarly, if vector B is subtracted from vector A, when vector B is subtracted from vector A, the resultant is minus 4i plus j unit vector, minus 4i unit vector plus 7j unit vector. Find the value of what will be the magnitude of vector A. We have to find the magnitude of vector A, as magnitude of vector A is represented by this sign. We add these equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, we will find 2 vector A is equal to 2i unit vector plus 8j unit vector. Dividing both sides by factor 2, result will be vector A is equal to I unit vector plus 4j. The magnitude of this vector A will be found by Pythagorean theorem, which is equal to 1 square plus 4 square. A is equal to 1 plus 16 whole under root is equal to 17 under root is equal to 4.1 with something units. It is numerical question number 5. Question number 6 is, numerical question number 6 is, given that vector A and vector B. Question number 6, vector A with given values 2i unit vector plus 3j, 2i unit vector plus 3j, and vector B with given values 3i minus 4j unit vector, 3i minus 4j unit vector. We have to find the magnitude and direction of vector C. Vector C is equal to vector A plus vector B. Similarly, we have to find vector D with values 3a minus 2b, 3a minus 2 vector B, with magnitude of C, with the direction of vector C, and with magnitude of this D and direction with respect to of vector D. Now we find vector C is equal to vector A plus vector B. Putting the values of vector A and vector B, result will be 3j unit vector. B is equal to 3i minus 4j unit vector, 2i plus 3j unit vector, 3i unit vector minus 4j. Solving the values with I unit vector, with I and j, with j unit vector, resultant will be 2 plus 3, 5i unit vector minus j unit vector. This is the vector C. We have to find the magnitude of vector C with Pythagorean theorem, 5 square plus minus 1 square. Resultant will be 25 plus 1 is equal to 26 whole under root is equal to 5.1 thing. This is magnitude of vector C. We have to find the orientation, means theta of vector C with respect to x-axis, as vector C with quadrant x positive quadrant with negative y quadrant. This represents the vector C lies in 4th quadrant. Its direction with respect to x-axis will be calculated by formula 360 degree minus phi. Now we find the value of phi by technique tan inverse y over x is equal to tan inverse y over x. The values of y are 1 and x with quadrant 5, 1 and 5 tan inverse 0.2 is equal to 11 degree. Putting the value of this phi in this formula, the theta will be, theta is equal to 360 degree minus 11 degree is equal to 349 degree. This is the orientation of vector C with respect to x-axis. Dear students, vector D with magnitude and direction with respect to x-axis will also be calculated by this technique. The numerical question number 7, find the angle between two vector A and B. Question number 7 is given that vector A is equal to 5i unit vector plus j, 5i unit vector plus j. Similarly, vector B with given quadrants with given values 2i plus 4j unit vector, 2i plus 4j unit. We have to find the angle between these two vectors, means we have to find the value of theta, which represents the angle between vector A and vector B. Dear students, we know that according to scalar or dot product of these two vector A and B, A dot B, vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta. We have to find the value of theta, so resultant will be vector A dot vector B over AB. Theta will be equal to cos inverse vector A dot vector B over AB. Putting the values, cos inverse vector A vector B with magnitude of A with magnitude of vector B. Putting the values of vector AB, this is vector A, this is complete vector B, this is the magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B. We solve all these values in single line. Vector A with values 5i unit vector plus j unit vector, vector B with quadrants with values 2i plus 4j unit vector. Similarly, magnitude of vector A will be calculated by Pythagorean theorem, 5 square plus 1 square, and B with magnitude 2 square plus 4 square whole under root. Dear students, cos inverse will be, now multiplying the values by dot product technique, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 I dot I is equal to 1. We can write or not write with values with 1 plus 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 1, 4s are 4 divided by 5 square 25, 1 square 1, 25 plus 1 26, under root will be 5.1. Similarly, 4 plus 16 20 with values 4.5. The cos inverse 14 over 22.5 is equal to 52 degree. This is the angle between vector A and vector B. Dear students, numerical question number 8 is find the value of work done. Numerical question number 8 is find the value of work done, capital W. We have to find for the when the point of application of force, as vector F is given, vector F is equal to 3i plus 2j unit vector, 3i plus 2j unit vector, and moves in a straight line from a point A. The position vector of point A, supposed R1 will be 2i unit vector minus j unit vector. Similarly, to the point, suppose point B with position vector is equal to 6i unit vector plus 4j unit vector. Now we find the value of position vector R, means displacement between these 2 points from these 2 position vector, means vector D or vector R will be found by this technique. Putting the values of position vector R2 and position vector R1, 6i unit vector plus 4j, similarly 2i minus j unit vector, 6i unit vector plus 4j unit vector minus 2i plus j unit vector. Solving this equation, I unit vector with I unit vector, j with j unit vector, resultant will be 4i unit vector plus 5j unit vector. This is the displacement, means position vector of the points A and B, are position vector R1 and R2. We have to find the value of work, as work is the dot product of force and displacement, putting the values of force and displacement in these brackets. As force is given 3i unit vector plus 2j unit vector. Similarly, d displacement with values 4i plus 5j unit vector. Now we multiply these 4 different values by dot product technique. Work will be equal to 3 4s are 12, I unit vector dot I unit vector is equal to 1, similar plus 2 5s are 10, j unit vector dot j unit vector is equal to 1, resultant will be 12 plus 10 is equal to 22 with units joule. The work we have find is equal to 22 joule. Dear students, inshallah next numerical we will discuss inshallah next day. Assalamu alaikum.